Hi, I am Subhashini and I welcome you to Theme 2, Descriptive Analytics using Excel. In this session, we'll turn raw data into clear, decision-ready insights using good old Excel. Descriptive analytics answers the most fundamental question in analytics: what happened? Exciting, right? Descriptive analytics summarizes historical data so we can see trends, distributions, and key patterns. Yes, it is the power of reporting with benchmarks, budgets, and traffic lights. Let's dive in. We learned about the 5-stage maturity model in analytics. In the descriptive analytics phase, unlike predictive or prescriptive analytics, we are not forecasting or recommending, yet we are creating a reliable snapshot. This is the foundation. Think sales performance, employee attrition, market share, or operational efficiency. So many possibilities. Excel is ideal for descriptive analytics, accessible, fast, and packed with functions and charts. Let's make the most of it. No coding required. Managers and analysts can derive insights quickly with formulas, pivot tables, and the analysis toolpack, a free add-in into Excel. We know that descriptive gives summaries like averages and spreads. Diagnostic explains why it happened. Predictive estimates what's likely next. Prescriptive recommends what to do. We begin with descriptive to establish a solid baseline. Let's go. For the company data, mean gives the central tendency. In Excel, average, range. Example, average B2, B20. Median is an indication of central values and robust when data is skewed or has outliers. Use median, range. Mode shows the most common value. Mode, sniggle, range. For multiple modes, use mode, mult. Standard deviation shows spread around the mean. For a sample, use STDEV. S for a population, STDEV. P. Variance is the square of standard deviation. VAR. S for sample, VAR. P for population. Use the fill handle to copy formulas across cells in Excel. Click, drag, done. Select your data. Click the quick analysis icon, then choose totals for instant sums and averages, or charts for quick visuals. Now enable Analysis Toolpack. File, Options, Add-ins, Manage Excel Add-ins, Go, tick Analysis Toolpack, OK. You get a full report. Mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, range ready in seconds. Your hands-on flow. Bring in data, sales, age, scores, anything. Calculate mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, drag to autofill across columns. Use quick analysis for instant charts. Run descriptive statistics via the toolpack for a complete summary. Turn stats into decisions with traffic lights. In Excel, use conditional formatting to compare actuals versus budget. Green for above, amber for close, and red for below. Now you have instant financial insights. You can also benchmark performance using mean and standard deviation. A result far from the average is a quick flag to investigate. Combine these in a smart dashboard with pivot tables and charts. This blends stats, traffic lights, and budget comparisons, so managers see performance and next actions instantly. With these tools, you'll make confident, data-driven decisions.